Good morning, students. So after the integers, our next chapter is fraction and decimal, that is chapter 2 of the NCERT book. So we have already studied the basic part of the fractions in the previous class. Now what is fraction? Just recall it. So basically the fraction is a part of a whole. A part of any whole thing is termed as the fraction. For example, if you have ordered a pizza for you and it consists of 4 slices and you have eaten one out of them. So how much you have eaten? You have eaten 1. The fraction basically is how much you have eaten, 1 and out of 4. So what fraction of that pizza you have eaten? You have eaten 1 by 4. See one more example. There is a circle. It is divided into 4 quadrants and 2 parts are shaded, and we have to find the fraction of the shaded part. So how can we find how many parts are shaded here? 1 and 2. So these 2 parts are the shaded and the total parts in this is 4. So the fraction is 1 by 2. So this is the basics of fraction. Fraction is simply defined as a part of a whole thing is termed as fraction. Now let's discuss the types of fraction. There are 2 types of fraction. First is proper fraction and second is improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction examples are like 3 by 7. This is the proper fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is proper fraction, and improper fraction, the example we can say like 7 by 3 in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we have to do generally, we have to convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. And what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction generally we do like this is quotient remainder upon denominator. For example, 7 by 3 we have to divide. Here it is 7, here it is 3. 3 multiplied to 6, the remainder is 1. So we have to represent in this form in a mixed fraction. So what is quotient here? Quotient here is 2. What is remainder here? Remainder here is 1, and the divisor is 3. So this is the mixed fraction. So we have to write the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Now let's see some of the questions based on this. The first question is addition 4 plus 7 by 8. Here we can write 4 as 4 by 1. So let's take the LCM first. LCM is 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8, and 8 multiplied 4 is 32. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 1 multiplied 7 is 7. So this is 39 by 8. And whenever the answer comes in the improper fraction, we have to convert into the mixed fractions. So how we will convert it? We will convert it like 4 7 by 8. 4 7 by 8. And you can verify it as well. 8 multiplied 4 is 32. 32 plus 7, 39. 39 divided by 8. So this is our answer. See one more question. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. This is a question of subtraction on the basis of mixed fraction. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to convert it into the improper fraction. So now 8 multiplied 2 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. Minus 8 multiplied 3 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Now let's take the LCM of 2 and 8. That is 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 17 multiplied 4 is 60. 8 minus 29. So what comes here? 68 minus 29. That is 39 by 8. And again convert into the mixed fraction as well. That is 4. Same. Which we have already done. 4 7 by 8 is the answer. So this is the basics of the fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and how we convert the improper fraction into the mixed fractions, and then how we have to solve these questions. So practice first exercise of your NCERT textbooks, and in the next video we will discuss the next exercise. Thank you.